Center the retainer plate's opening to the inlet housing's opening and drill 6 holes and cleco together. Locate the inlet housing on the passenger side as shown here. Transfer the holes and cleco in place. Trim the housing as necessary. Now cleco the retainer to the outside of the tub and mark the inside edge. Cut the inlet opening about 3/8 of an inch outside the marked line. Install housing, filter, and retainer using the supplied nut plates and screws. The battery post panel and hardware. Connect the battery post panel to the airframe harness positive and negative cables. Be sure and mark the positive lead. Place the tub in position under the airframe. Use a box to support the tub, then secure the tub to the seat back with a few screws. Locate the placement of the battery post panel on the tub surface with reference to the airframe harness cables. Mark the outline of the panel and remove the tub to install the panel. Drill 4 holes and use clecos to secure panel location. Cut an opening for exterior access. Locate and mark one of the 2 battery cables with red tape to indicate positive. Attach the panel to the cables from the harness. Now attach the cables that connect the battery to the panel. Route the cables along the airframe and up to the battery. Do not connect the cables to the battery. Install the tub. Secure the battery terminal panel to the tub opening with screws. If ACE is equipped, connect the 3.5-inch diameter flex hose from the inlet housing to the stepper motor assembly. Install the lower passenger panel and attach the connectors per the construction print. Connect the insulated ground wire off the ignition module to the airframe ground. Connect the spark plug wires to the inboard and outboard ignition packs. The switch panel is mounted to the roof panel on the body, 832 screws with nut plates located in the switch panel cover. Here's a builder tip. The switch panel cover can be attached to the roof panel separate of the switch panel. This will be a big help with service and reinstallation. First, cut an opening in the cabin roof panel, 3/4 of an inch smaller than the overhead switch panel on all sides. Locate on the switch panel 6 holes as shown and then transfer those holes to the switch panel cover. Also use the switch panel and transfer the holes to the roof panel. Now locate and drill 2 1/8-inch holes at the center of the front and rear of the switch cover and roof panel only. Do not drill holes in the switch panel. Install 8 832 nut plates in the cover and cut a hole in the rear of the cover for the wires to pass through, about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Open all the holes in the roof panel to 3/16 of an inch. Countersink the 2 holes at the front and rear center of the roof panel. Place a bead of silicone along the edge of the cover and install 2 countersunk screws and secure the switch cover to the roof panel as shown. Use clecos in the nut plates to press the silicone seal until dry. Wipe away excess silicone. Note: the switch panel has pre-drilled holes for the additional switches and holes for the headset jacks. Install the roof panel and transfer the opening to the interior liners if installed. Push the wire harness Molex connectors through the hole and connect the switch panel harness. Secure in panel with the 6 screws. On your final assembly, install 832 screws and nut plates to secure the back edge of the roof panel to the seat back. Important: be sure all wiring is secured away from the main shaft. On your final install, silicone the opening of the cover where the harness passes through to prevent moisture from entering. Do not connect the cables to the battery until all the wiring has been completed. Use template E36-1 and fabricate the compass mount bracket out of 50 thousandths aluminum. Attach the compass to the bracket and bend the bracket to match the contour of the windscreen. The approximate location is 21 to 25 inches from the front edge of the windscreen. Use silicone adhesive to attach the bracket to the windscreen surface.